Want to go viral and grow your followers in 2025? Today, I'm revealing 5 insanely powerful AI tools that will make creating content faster, easier, and more viral than ever before. First up, Meta AI. Facebook and Instagram's built-in AI that's changing the game. It instantly generates post ideas, trending hashtags, and captions based on your style. Want carousel ideas? Meta AI gives you 10 in seconds. Use it in your business pages for content optimized for reach. Second, ChatGPT, the ultimate copywriting assistant. It writes captions, scripts, and even replies to comments so you stay engaged without spending hours typing. Pro tip: ask ChatGPT for 10 viral TikTok hooks in your niche, then use those in your Reels and Shorts. Third is Canva AI, also known as Magic Studio. Generate images from text, remove backgrounds instantly, and resize content for multiple platforms with one click. Design Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, and TikTok covers without hiring a designer. Fourth is Pictory AI, the secret weapon. It turns blog posts, scripts, or Zoom recordings into short, engaging videos perfect for YouTube Shorts and Reels. Take an old blog post, run it through Pictory, and boom, instant video content. Finally, TubeBuddy AI. If you're on YouTube, this is a must-have. It suggests the best titles, tags, and thumbnails based on real data. Plus, it tells you what's trending in your niche so you can post at the perfect time for maximum views. So there you have it. 5 AI tools that will help you grow your audience, boost engagement, and save hours of work in 2025. Which one are you trying first? Hit that like button, subscribe for more AI-powered growth tips, and share this with a creator friend. The future of social media is AI, and it's here right now.